Hi guys, so worked examples for determining the coordinates of a point on a Cartesian plane here. So we've located our A point. It's in quadrant 1 where our both X and Y will be positive values. So we have a look here at A, we go down 1, 2, we notice that our X value is at 4. And if we draw a line across to the y-intercept point, our y value is at 2. So now we can say that our A point is at 4 and 2 respectively for our first coordinate. So determining the coordinates for B here, so B is located in quadrant 2. All right, we know that our X value will be a negative and our Y value will be a positive. So again, we would say that B, okay, if we track down our y-intercept down to here, whoops, draw a line there and draw a line across. Okay, so our B value is at -3 and the Y value will be +5. And we close our brackets. In which quadrant would you find -3 and 2? So here I'm just going to go back up to our first graph. I'm just going to indicate our 3 minus 2. So we go down 1, 2, 3, and then we go up 2. So 1, 2. So basically that's indicating question C. We'll call this point C. Right, so the C point of -3 and 2, okay, is located in Q2. All right, so in which quadrant would you find 3 minus 4? So here, if I use the second grid, so where we did our B coordinate, and I go 1, 2, 3, and I'm going down to 4. Find my intersect point here. We'll name that D, point D. So my D point of 3 and -4, close brackets, is located in quadrant 4. Okay, boys, so second worked example, we're looking at plotting a number of points on a Cartesian plane. So our first one is point A, and it's located at 2, 3. So we go along our x-axis to 2, and then we go up 1, 2, 3, and we put a point in there, and we can also indicate that with putting the letter A next to it. It's also a good idea to put the coordinate points next to that as well, so in brackets 2, 3. B is located at -3, so we go 1, 2, 3 down, and then we need to go up 4. So, so down 3, 1, 2, 3, okay, and then up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we put our B point in. And again, we indicate with -3 and 4. Plot C, point C, sorry, -2, so down 1, 2 again, and then down 3, so 1, 2, 3. There's our C point. Okay, and we'll indicate that with -2, -3. D is 0, 0, which we know to be our origin. So that'll be point D, and indicate that with 0, 0, or our origin. And our final point, E, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and down 3. So 1, 2, 3. We have our E point, which will be brackets 5 minus